College pun vibro session part kajing petip namta kitu ki candidate ki bala qualify namta ka personal interview namta ka post driver kade ka way kane ki ba kila pandep ya ka screening test held on the 15 July 2025 as a preliminary step in the selection to the post of one driver on contractual basis under the Directorate of Forensic Science Mikhalia Shillong. Teglada pandap haka kasantrik July glada belalut ki test in driving aptitude that include physical dexterity and hazard perception knowledge of vehicle kumta terter kinugno tementa bade kila panmi bade ya ka list of eligible candidate namta ka interview. They are therefore to appear before the interview panel on 28 July kan mau gini bala eligible kidon kumbas pungut 28 July 2025 at 10:30 am at the office of the Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hill Nongstoin. They are directed to bring along at the interview all relevant documents in original. List of candidates found qualified suitable to appear for the personal interview. Lamha Thongni, Sam Tay Kodor Lingdot Lingkoi, Boni Jun Marwen, Boni Boy Wanyang, Gilbert John Mauli, Bansham Kupars Imli, Shanbha Mauri, Standing Well Nongba, Altimios Kharsentiu, Ban Sabel Maulong. Second mau itu katarik, Pratarik, Jong Banai July, Namtaka, personal interview. Ditangin di jam tip, Kulishubun.